Understanding non-contact greetings from around the world. Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be diving deep into the realm of greetings. Specifically, we're going to discuss various non-contact greetings from different cultures. These greetings are not only fascinating but are also very practical in situations where physical contact might be inappropriate or not preferred. So, let's embark on this journey and expand our cultural horizons. The universal hand wave. It's probably the most recognized greeting around the world. Common in almost everywhere. How it's done: simply raise your hand and move it from side to side. When to use: when you see someone from a distance or want to get someone's attention in a friendly manner. A subtle yet powerful gesture. Common in many countries, particularly in the West. How it's done: tilt your head slightly forward and then back up. When to use: when you acknowledge someone, say hello without words, or show agreement. A respectful greeting with deep cultural roots. Common in India, Nepal, and some other Asian countries. How it's done: place your palms together in front of your chest and bow your head slightly. When to use: when greeting someone, showing respect, or saying thank you. It's especially appropriate in spiritual or religious contexts. A formal greeting with a rich history. Common in military settings worldwide. How it's done: touch the tip of your right hand fingers to your temple or forehead. When to use: mainly in military or formal settings to show respect to superiors. A gesture of respect from Thailand. Common in Thailand. How it's done: place your palms together in front of your face and bow your head slightly. When to use: to greet someone, to apologize, or to say thank you. The height of the hands and the depth of the bow can vary based on the level of respect being shown. And there you have it, a brief overview of non-contact greetings from different parts of the world. Whether you're traveling, meeting people from different backgrounds, or simply want to be more culturally aware, understanding these greetings can be a valuable asset. We hope you found this video enlightening, and remember, a greeting is the first step towards building a connection. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.